Guys, if you work with Backendless Messaging, which includes functionality such as push notifications and publish subscribe messaging, you'd be working with the messaging screen available right here. In here, you will have a list of your messaging channels, and then each messaging channel includes the functions that I described, pops-up messaging and push notifications. In some cases, you need to integrate with this functionality through Swagger API document, or perhaps some other API documentation that would be required by a third-party tool. Backendless Console includes the function of generating API document for your channel. And all you need to do is to select the channel and then click on this icon right here that essentially is responsible for generating API documentation. So when you click on the icon, you get this pop-up where you can select one of the many formats supported by Backendless, and it includes Swagger 2.0 in the JSON format, YAML, OpenAPI 3.0, and so on. So here, if you select a particular format and click the Generate button, Backendless generates a file that is placed into the file storage of your application. You can download this file by clicking the Download button, or you can just copy the URL by clicking the Copy button. So for instance, if I were to go to editor.swagger.io, in here I can import that URL that I just copied into the clipboard. And now all of the functions that are associated with the My Channel messaging channel are now available through Swagger. So for instance, if I need to send out a push notification or a message to that specific channel, I can do it right from Swagger editor. So for example, I'm going to click try it out, and I will type up a very basic message. For example, this is a test. And by clicking execute, it sends out a message to that channel. In fact, if I come back here, you will see that this message is now displayed by Backendless Console. So this is a very powerful functionality that you can use once again for the API management purposes if you need to start managing Backendless APIs elsewhere, or from the integration perspective if you need to integrate Backendless messaging functionality into a third-party tool.